Let's say I have select star from orders that give me all the orders. Let's say I just want to group the rows by the item, because I don't really care about the information. I just care that I can see the item names. I can do group by here and the column and see what happens there. You can see all the rows for keyboard consolidated into one. We had 2 for keyboard, right? Obviously, this example, I would have to add more rows here so you can better see what it would do, but every single item for keyboard is consolidated into one single row. Now, you lose information about the amount, right? Because it only takes the first one. So that's why some cases you don't want to do this. This is only appropriate if you don't care about this information being lost. You know, like this one's for the customer ID 4, which is this one, but you lost the information for the customer ID 1 here for the keyboard. But this is called group by, and you can group by anything. We could group by, I don't know, customer ID for some reason. Then we consolidate the orders in customer ID or amount. Okay, group by amount, and you group everything by the amount. But it's more, I think it's more useful to group by the item here. Yeah, so this is kind of similar to distinct in a way, right? You could also do select distinct item, right? That's another way instead of group by. So you could also do it that way. Does that make sense, Leo? Luz? Yeah, so I think distinct is very easy. So whenever you can use distinct, use that. But if you can't use distinct, you can group by. That's more complex for more complex stuff.